Oh man, I'm so wet. Dude. It is really freaking wet out here. Alright friends, it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles in today. This is the third one I'm doing in one day. Doing another week of that. Pretty hard. So this Yamachan no Satai no Yamachan Yakisoba from Japan by by Sapporo Ichiban. So this is named after a fried chicken chain. They make these phantom chicken wings that are supposed to be to die for. So they made a yakisoba under the supervision of those people. It's one of my favorite things. They'll say, this one comes out of a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code RAMENRATER for a discount. And let's make this happen. So here's the noodle block and bits. So we just put that in here. Usually this is in a tray, but I'm doing it in a pot. But I'm not cooking it, I'm gonna steep it. Whoa! It only takes 3 minutes. I'll get it submerged. There we go. Put a lid on it. And 3 minutes. Starting now. So, I was mentioning in the last episode that the president sends me crap often, and he sent some more crap. Here is what the president sends me. Things like this. Donald J. Trump for president. They send me this stuff often. Now, I collect political stuff. So this is like, it's nice. I'm happy about it. So they sent a bumper sticker, zip strips, the little removable bumper sticker. Oh, so it's not really sticky. You even got me on the stickiness. Jeez. And then they send me this. Dear Hans, I want to pay a special tribute to you. You love our country. You cherish our values. You respect our laws. You always put America first. You have gone the extra mile to help your loved ones during this corona epidemic. Here's a bumper sticker. Since the day we defeated crooked Hillary, what's at stake in the coming election? Everything that makes America great. Not the truth. Our national sovereignty. We must run the perfect campaign, so send us money. And so they give you an envelope. Is there postage necessary? No postage necessary. That's nice. So you could put a bunch of junk in it and send it back to me if you really wanted to. And then it has like by sending this, you're like doing this oath. Wow, they got my email address on there too. President Donald J. Trump. Of course I am still with you, President Trump. I will continue to stand with you. I will continue to fight with you. I will continue to win with you. Thank you for my Trump 2020 bumper sticker to lead you to victory against the radical Democrats. Enclosed is my contribution of blank. And yeah, look, I mean there's that part. And then there's this part. Let's look. Got everything all filled out. Look, the Ramen Raider. Trump. What's this? Oh, and since it's a campaign donation, they want to know who you work for, this and that, and the other thing. So yeah. No, I won't be donating to the campaign. But I thought you might find that interesting. I don't know. I find all this stuff interesting when it comes to politics. I really am into it. Why? I don't know. I've got a binder. I've got a binder full of political crap. Alright. So the noodles appear to be done. So instead of spilling them all over myself, I'm just going to drain them in the sink. God, that's a lot of food. And it looks like there's a good amount of cabbage in it. So, the one thing about yakisoba that's instant that I've found is if it's like this color. Oops. Sorry about that thing. Yeah, so if it's like this color, it's like, there's something wrong here. What? Let's see what's going on. Yeah, I mean, it's really easy. If you want to get a bunch of stuff like that in your mail, just like type in Trump 2020 into Google and then sign up for something or tell them you want to learn more and they'll send you boatloads of stuff. Boatloads! So this should end up... By calling it phantom chicken, that makes me think, is it going to be spicy, like ghost pepper? If this is like ultra spicy though, I'll be kind of surprised. Tossing the noodles as it were. They do a thing at Chinese in Lunar New Year in Singapore called the Prosperity Toss. That's fun. I got to do that once. It's a bunch of celebratory Singaporean expats down in Seattle at a nice restaurant. I like doing stuff like that, man. Come on, let's get rid of this Corona stuff. Stop the stupidity. Just deal with it. Get it over with, for God's sake. The liquid. Interesting. I'm very fascinated by this. Generally, when they start tinkering with the wonder and beauty that is just standard yakisoba, nothing good comes of it. I'm going to say that right now. They make like the ultra mayo beam. That one's good. That's lots of mayo. There's the mayonnaise mustard one. But both of those taste like Worcestershire sauce. And that's where it's at. That's the kind of yakisoba I'm used to, just like being all over. I'll make that from scratch at home. Just wonderful. So let's try this one. It's supposed to it's supposed to be wonderful and make you understand what it's like to eat fried chicken or wings at a restaurant. Does that look like wings? I don't think so. It looks good though. It's got the color. For me, it's all about, if it doesn't at least have this dark of a color, it just looks wrong. Looks septic. Cheers. That's good. Huh. That reminds me of what I put on the chicken that I baked that I'm going to put on this. Calculating this is 50 calories per bite. That's a good one. Good pick, Zenpop. Very good pick. It's got this interesting lingering kind of... It's not that it's spicy per se, but it's got a lot of nice spices to it. Am I gonna regret this? I'm gonna drop it in. I'm gonna have like little phantom strips all over the place. Hopefully not. Come on, take on the... This is the natural color of the noodle. Have I told you guys that story? I think I did the other day. My sister and I went to Thailand once. And there's a Thai noodle company over there. And we went in Bangkok. There's like these old warehouses that they turn into like this night market-y kind of thing. And there was this guy that had scarves. My sister wanted to get like a scarf. So this guy, he had all these scarves, and he like cornered my sister, and me and dude was hanging out. A guy named Banks. How's it going, yo? If you're watching. Anyways, when I standing there watching, he's like, "Yes, mom, it is a very, very good quality, the finest quality. It is the natural color of the goat, mom. The natural color of the goat." And it's like, you're trying to say my sister wants to look like a goat? It is the fully natural color of the goat, mom. Yeah? That's cool. Although I did, when I got a couple things off of them, I like haggled the crap out of them too. What I used to do is I used to just try to get what do you call them? Placemats. And that's what I used for all my reviews. These days I've taken photos of all those and I just have a folder with ones under natural light, ones without natural light, fabric sample images, you name it, all sorts of backdrops. And then I blur them a little bit. And that works pretty well. Chicken. And yeah, they were actually pillow covers, and they're red. All handmade, really cheap. It was like 1,200 baht for. That's Thai currency is baht. And I think it was 1,200 baht for like 4 really big thick ones. And, you know, I'm gonna add some of this stuffing. Okay. I'm gonna do some of this. This is Layu chili oil. It's not the infused stuff anymore that I used to get, but it'll work. And I think a little bit of pepper flake. And a little bit of the seed of sesame. There you go. Where'd my sesame seeds go, man? There they are. They fell over. These aren't black sesame seeds or roasted sesame seeds. Oh wait, they're toasted sesame seeds. But just to remind you, Mom, the natural color of the toasted sesame seed. The natural color of the toasted sesame seed. Beautiful thing. Kind of the same color as a goat while we're at it. I don't know. Is it? Doesn't matter. here we are. The last one of the day. And I got it done. And it's before 2 p.m., which means I'll be able to get all the stuff done well before 3. And then walk back and forth in my apartment like a psychopath for a couple hours. And then when my wife gets home, if it's not too freaking hot, we'll go on a walk. So let's Rotato lull us into a sense of happiness. Ready? Set? Okie dokie. Artichokes. That's it. That's it. All done. Bye bye.